Guys, today I'm gonna show you a tool inside of your TikTok Shop admin that seems like nobody's using, but it is extremely overpowered because it will give you free product views, it will show your TikTok Shop products to potential customers, and it will basically allow you to sell your TikTok Shop products without ever posting a single video. But not only that, because this tool will also show you what products are super hot right now, what is selling, and what does TikTok Shop wants you to sell. And they are willing to give you free traffic and free sales if you do. So in this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this tool, and I'm also gonna give you some tips and maybe we can call it exploits that you can do to maximize the number of views and sales that you get. Hey guys, it's the Econ Bull here. Let's get started in 3, 2, 1, yeah! Alright, so guys, I am talking about the product opportunities feature, and you can find it by going to products and then product opportunities. This will show you a list of products related to whatever you are already selling. So this is a testing account that I have, a testing shop. I just use it to make these videos, okay? I try new things and see how they work before I actually upload a video recommending it, right? So here I sell t-shirts, okay, mostly. But look, it's telling me that this shirt is very popular on TikTok Shop. And as you can see here, someone is selling this, but also someone is selling this other shirt that is also very popular, okay? You see, it's a different product, but what you can do here as an example is create a shirt just like this one, all right, with the same text, and then register that product to this shirt and then also register to this other shirt. Alright, and that will basically allow you to piggyback on the success of another shop, okay, on the success of another product. Because when someone searches for a shirt that says these things, okay, with the same characteristics, with the same product title, your product will also show there. Because TikTok has a big problem right now, and it's that their catalog is very extensive, but it is full of replicated products. All right, so for the same item, there's gonna be, let's say, 20 sellers. All right, so there is 20 listings of the same item. And this is a huge problem for TikTok because it overcrowds the product marketplace. And in a perfect world, TikTok Shop wants to be just like Amazon, where there is just one listing, okay, for the same product, and all the sellers appear under the same listing. Now, this is not an option right now on TikTok Shop, but this is also an opportunity for you, because even if the product is not exactly the same, as long as it is similar enough, TikTok will approve it, and it will basically link it to the already popular product. Now, I'm gonna show you some tricks, okay, to even list products that are not permitted because they are brand gated. And I'm gonna show you a few tricks on how you can list products that you don't even have the allowance to do, but through this tool you can actually do it. But I am getting a little bit ahead of myself because I'm very excited. Just let me show you something real quick. So this shop, okay, I have never posted a single video, okay? I just use the product opportunities. And in the past 7 days, it was basically all yesterday and the day before yesterday, I had 9 orders for a product that I just listed and piggyback on the success of another listing. And in a moment, I'm gonna show you a pricing technique that you can use to get even more sales. So let's go back to product opportunities and let's start from scratch, okay? So let's say that you don't even know what to sell yet, okay? You just open a new TikTok Shop account and you are basically on the lookout for good products to sell. So what you will do here is go here to category and select a category. For example, let's go for sports and outdoors, and let's say sports footwear. All right, so here you see all of these products are extremely trending, okay? They are selling a lot. Look, these two products, you know, are the same thing. They are both very popular, okay? So let's say that you can get your hands on discounted shoes of this same brand, okay? Under Armour 9 running shoe. All right, let's say that you can get your hands on wholesale pricing of these products. So what you will be able to do is list those products on your TikTok Shop and then click over here where it says register, and you will be able to link them. So when you click on register, it will open up your products right here. So you can search for your product name here. Now, I don't have any Under Armour shoes on this shop, okay? So basically, I don't even have anything inside of the sports and outdoor category. So it is not showing any of the products that I listed here on this shop. But what you can do is click here on add a new product. And this is the first trick, because if you try, I haven't tested this one yet, but normally if you try to put a brand product, it will not allow you to do it, because you see here on the brand authorization section here, you will have to put the actual brand of the product. And when it's a common brand, let's say Under Armour, Nike, or whatever popular brand, TikTok Shop is not going to approve your product. And you're gonna have to do some workarounds like selecting no brand and be back and forth. And if you messed up several times, TikTok Shop is gonna give you a warning that, hey, you're trying to list products that you don't have the rights for. But when you actually click on the register button right there that I just showed you, it will automatically pre-populate the brand, okay? This is a huge deal, because now you can just upload here your images, all right? And when you go here and submit for review, it will likely approve it. And you will start piggybacking on that Under Armour listing. Now, let's say that you actually don't have this Under Armour shoe in stock, but you have a contact, okay, a wholesaler that can sell you, let's say, Puma shoes, okay? They have a huge catalog of Puma shoes that you can get for half the cost. So you can come over here and search for Puma, all right? And chances are that the product that you want to sell is already listed, okay? TikTok Shop has a lot of products already. So let's say that it's actually this one, the one that you can get, the Puma Women's Soft Ride Sophia running shoe, okay? So you will just click on register, you know, and create a new product based on that one, all right? So you can get the Puma branding and all of that. Now, if you already have the stock of that product and you already have it listed, it will appear right here. So you can just select it and that's it. Now, before you actually commit to buying wholesale products, okay, you should always check what is the price that TikTok Shop is selling this product for, okay? What are these sellers charging for this same exact shoe? Because let's say that this shoe costs, I have no idea about Puma shoes, but let's say that it normally costs $100, but there is a seller that has 20,000 sales and is selling that same exact shoe for $80. So you will have to be able to beat that $80 pricing in order to get a bunch of sales and piggyback it the right way. So let's say that you can get those shoes for, let's say, 50% of the cost, okay? You can get them for $50 and then you can list them for $70. So your selling price will be $10 less than the most popular seller of this shoe. And what TikTok is gonna do is get all of this traffic that this product is getting and start sharing it with your product listing. So the original shop that was selling that product, that invested a lot of money with affiliates, making videos, making their own content, you know, making that product start to go viral so it gets a lot of attention. So what you will be able to do is get some of that traffic, because TikTok will start showing your product alongside it and sometimes even replacing it if the pricing is extremely good and you actually have a little bit of a sales record, okay? If it's a brand new account, okay, you're not gonna get that much traffic at the beginning. But if you are already selling the same product or you already have a big sales history, you are a star shop, okay, and you are getting, you know, many sales and you do good shipping and all of that, then they will give you even more and more traffic, to the point that you can even replace the original shop. And if you think about it, this is exactly how Amazon works, because look, when you search for Puma women's shoe, you have here the options, all right? So let's say, for example, that we want to buy this one. This thing right here is called the buy box, all right? So here, when you click on add to cart, Amazon is going to choose a seller, sometimes it's even themselves, right? But it's gonna try to always give the best value to the customer, okay? There's a few things that also affect who wins the buy box, but this shoe is actually sold by a few people. If you click here on other sellers on Amazon, you can see that there's 6 sellers, okay, that are selling this same item, right? They are all under the same listing. Let's just check them out. So right now, if I had clicked on add to cart, it will actually use this option, all right? So this will be Amazon actually selling it and Amazon actually shipping it, all right? But there's other options, like you see this one here, Chewbacca. You know, sometimes when you click add to cart in here, right? In here, when you click on add to cart, it will sell it from Chewbacca, all right? Cool name, all right? Or it will also sell it from Dick's Sporting Goods or Bricks US or BJ Goods. You know, there's a few sellers. It will be rotating. But you see, this guy, Bricks US, is selling it for $66, you know? And this other guy, Amazon itself, is selling it for $50. So that other shop is never going to get the buy box until Amazon runs out of stock, and then, you know, it will gain some, you know, buy box share. But this is basically what TikTok is trying to do. So they locate a product that is hot, that has many sellers on it, and it will try to give the shoppers the best value. And just to let you know, on Amazon, when you create a product listing, a product page, it doesn't belong to you, the seller, okay? The product listings belong to Amazon. So Amazon can do anything they want with this listing. They can even kick you out of the listing and have someone else sell your product on the listing that you created. Now, on TikTok Shop, like I said at the beginning of the video, this is not an option. It doesn't really work like that yet, but I can see them kind of like transitioning to something like this, where there's just one listing and all the sellers below it. Of course, TikTok Shop approves every time you try to register a product under another product. It always goes through a review. And sometimes you get denied, right? So you just have to retry again and again until you actually get it. Now, I might be completely wrong in this, but based on my experience with TikTok Shop, and I follow, you know, their trajectory day by day, and I can see that there's a lot of things that they are doing that try to mimic Amazon, okay? Because eventually they want to replace Amazon as the #1 selling platform. I don't know if that's possible, but I think that's what they are trying to do. But they are copying things every day from Amazon. Every day, new things that are extremely similar to Amazon. So I think that this product opportunities feature here is their way to, you know, try to mimic Amazon even more. And I'm not only saying that because of this actual tool here, because inside of product opportunities, there's actually another thing. It's called popular keywords. And in here, instead of giving you popular products, it's going to give you popular keywords that people type on TikTok Shop, right? On the shop tab. They just go ahead and type, for example, t-shirt solid sets. It's like something that they type a lot. So you can click on register and select one of your products. Let's say, I don't know, let's say that this one, for example, this is actually one of my products, right? That I have on this testing account. And here you can add, you know, those keywords right there. All right. And that should improve the traffic that you're getting. So that is another way that you can get additional exposure to your listings. Now, since you have been watching all these videos so far, I'm going to give you another trick. So let's go back to popular products. And in this case here, of these two different products that are basically the same thing, let's say that you have a share that is also very similar to these ones, and you want to tag it, you know, you want to register it to this one, but also to this one. You cannot do both at the same time. But what you can do is register to this one, all right? Wait for it to be approved, all right? It's gonna take like 1 day to get approved, sometimes even just a few hours. Once it's approved, you come back to this one and you click on register one more time, and you will be able to register the same product again, all right? And just like that, you can start registering to every single product that is extremely similar to yours. And you're gonna get more and more and more traffic views. And just so you don't miss opportunities, when you see several products that are the same as yours, always go here and favorite them. All right, so when you go over here to popular products and you click this, you will see them all there. So you register for this one. Once it gets approved, then you move to the next one, you register it, and so on. All right, now this product only has like 2 similar products, but there's products that have 10, 20, even 100 of multiple copies of basically the same product. So you will tag them all and just go every day, piggybacking on another one and another one and another one, and it will get all combined and you start getting like a lot of traffic. So very powerful opportunity. I recommend that you test it out. Let me know in the comments if it works for you. Now, it is very important that you double check each product that you want to link, okay? Because if you already don't have stock of that product, don't commit to buying wholesale a bunch of products in the hopes that you're gonna just piggyback it, okay? Always check the actual products on TikTok Shop. Go to the mobile app, search for the product, see how much it's selling, all right? And then make the decision if you want to commit to it. But if it's a product that you already are selling, don't hesitate. Just go ahead and register the product with all the comparable similar products that you can find on the TikTok Shop product opportunities. Now, another way to increase your sales is by using TikTok ads, all right? And remember that if you're gonna start making TikTok ads, make sure that you use the link that I have on the description. I am a TikTok for Business partner, so they give me special deals to share with you guys, all right? That will basically give you ad credits, and it also supports the channel. So take advantage of these incentives. Now watch this video if you want to learn how to create profitable TikTok ads. Thank you. I'm out.